Vacuuming and charging refrigerant on a mini split unit is super important if you want your system running smooth and not blowing hot air when it shouldn't. So, first off, you want to make sure you've got the right tools: a vacuum pump, manifold gauge set, and the exact refrigerant type your mini split uses. Start by connecting your gauges to the service ports and then hook up the vacuum pump. Run the vacuum pump until you hit about 500 microns or lower. That's how you know all the air and moisture are out of the system. After that, close the valves on your vacuum pump and watch the gauges to see if the vacuum holds steady for at least 15 minutes. If it doesn't, you might have a leak somewhere. Once that's all good, you can begin charging the system with refrigerant. Follow the manufacturer's specs for how much refrigerant to add. It's usually listed in the manual or on a sticker on the unit itself. Charge slowly and keep an eye on the gauges to avoid overcharging. Now, here's the key part. Don't open those mini split service valves until after you've confirmed the vacuum is solid and the charge is correct. Opening them too early releases the factory charge prematurely, messing up the whole operation. After you remove your hoses, follow the sequence in your manual for opening valves. This keeps everything balanced and working right. One of the biggest mistakes when vacuuming and charging refrigerant on mini split units is opening the service valves too early. This lets out the factory charge before the system is ready, which can cause poor cooling or even damage. Fix that by always waiting until after vacuuming and charging before opening valves. Another common issue is not pulling a deep enough vacuum. If you don't get down to 500 microns or less, moisture stays trapped inside, leading to corrosion and reduced efficiency. Double-check your gauge readings and hold times to prevent this. Lastly, overcharging or undercharging refrigerant throws off system pressure, making your mini split work harder and wear out faster. Stick to manufacturer specs and top off slowly while monitoring gauges for the right pressure levels. BigHomeProjects.com makes life easier by connecting homeowners with trusted local contractors who know their stuff, so you're not stuck guessing or getting ripped off. At the same time, it helps contractors find real work from people who actually need their skills, making sure everyone wins in the home upgrade game.